Which of the following is the simplest form of the expressions 5 plus 2 cubed plus the quantity 6 minus 3 times the quantity 4 minus 2? To simplify this expression, we can use the PEMDAS method or PEMDAS rules in order to simplify this one. First is for the parentheses. 5 plus 2 cubed, all numbers inside the parentheses will be simplified first. So 6 minus 3 times 4 minus 2 is 2. And 5 plus 2 cubed plus 6 minus 3 times 2 is 6. So this is 6 minus 6. 5 plus 2 cubed plus 6 minus 6 is 0. Now proceed to exponent. So this is the number with exponent. So 5 plus 2 cubed, which is 8, plus 0. Now we can add 5 and 8. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Therefore, the simplest form of the expressions 5 plus 2 cubed plus the quantity 6 minus 3 times the quantity 4 minus 2 is equal to 13. The answer is letter A. Item number 118. Simplify the quantity 3p squared plus 7p plus 2 over p squared minus 2 minus 8 times the quantity p squared minus 3p minus 4 over p squared plus 3p plus 2. In order to simplify this expression, we can factor things out. Factor each polynomials. So, the factor of 3p squared plus 7p plus 2 is 3p plus 1 times p plus 2 over p squared minus 2p minus 8. The factor is p minus 4 and p plus 2 times the factor of p squared minus 3p minus 4 is p minus 4 times p plus 1, and the factor of p squared plus 3p plus 2 is p plus 2 times p plus 1. Alright. P plus 2 divided by p plus 2 is 1, so we can cancel this out. P minus 4 divided by p minus 4 is also 1. Cancel this out. P plus 1 divided by p plus 1 is also 1. Cancel this out. And the remaining is 3p plus 1 over p plus 2. This is the final answer. In the choices, that is letter A. The correct answer for item number 118 is letter A. For numbers 154 to 155, given y is equal to 3x plus 2, for item number 154, what is the value of y when x is equal to 2? This is 2. To find the value of y, simply substitute x is equal to 2 to the given equation y is equal to 3x plus 2. Y equals 3x plus 2. Substitute 2 to the value of x. This will become 3 times 2 plus 2. y is equal to 6 plus 2, and y is equal to 8. And that is letter A. For numbers 186 to 190, consider the given table below. For item number 190, the given problem is find the value of y, or the distance in kilometer covered, when the time given is 10 hours. Going back to the given table, we can observe that when the time traveled is 1 hour, the distance covered is 50 kilometers. When the number of hours is 2 hours, the distance is 100. While when 3 hours, it became 150, and 4 hours became 200, and 5 hours became 250. The constant thing we can observe in here is in every hours, the distance in kilometers covered is increased by 50 kilometers. So after 1 hour, after 1 hour, it became 2 hours, the distance was added 50 kilometers. After 3 hours, the distance was added another 50, it became 150, and in 4 hours, it was added by 50, it became 200, and in 5 hours, it was added by 50, became 250. From this, we can create an equation that the distance traveled, or the distance in kilometer traveled, or y, is equal to the number of hours, which is x, that is x, times the distance covered, which is the constant 50. Or this is equal to y is 50x. So this implies that the distance covered is equal to the number of hours times 50. So since in our problem the given is 10 hours, we'll have to solve what is the distance in kilometers covered when the given time is 10 hours. We'll have to substitute, since I let x as the number of hours. Okay, let's change variable x to t, since the given here is t. This is t. Alright, now we have to substitute 10 hours to the equation in order to find the distance in kilometers covered after 10 hours. Y equals 50 times the given 10 hours. Y equals 50 times 10, that is 500. The unit is kilometers. Therefore, the distance traveled after 5 hours is 500 kilometers. And that is letter B.